and classmate. This is group number 2, and we are Dominic and
Patsy.
we would like to talk to you about an important man named Richard Montage. So this is Richard Montage. This is who he were. His anthology. His anthology was like it was a it was all about a theory of natural language semantic and of its relation with syntax. So we're talking about approximately he made out this research in the 1930s and to 1971 to recognize also he made this to recognize the true sentence of how language should be, approached.
Also, his view on natural language must be understood with his mathematic background in mind. Montage held the view that natural language was a formal language very much in the same sense as predicate logic was a formal language. Uh, as such, the study of natural language belonged to the mathematics and not to the psychology.
So also he said that he said on one hand the model gives more than reality. Natural language does not only speak about past, present, and future of the real world, but also about situations that might be the case or are imaginary or not be the case at all. On the other hand, over the model affairs less, it merely specifies reality as conceived by language. Features of montage ontology. So the first one we have the belief. Language is not just language that way, it's just it has a pattern of things to follow.
Also, the true linguistic and the belief by human is when a physician establish different categories to divide existing things into other to better understanding those things and how they fit together in the broader worlds, which would say how it's how they can understand and the better is it is to learn the language.
Okay, and then we have a systematic relation between syntaxes and semantic. So as we see here, we clearly see that has a relation with syntax and semantic have a relation to do with language. Language is not just that way, but it has a way how to follow. It had things you can look into to get a better understanding of what it is.
and it and it's also how to determine the things exist or not, as well as the classification of exist.
Search source, we get the opportunity to help her research in with this page named Plato Stanford Plato.stanford.edu. We have the opportunity to went in that page, and then there is where we get a lot of this information that we're sharing with you now. Comes to continue, we're going to share a brief personal concern about montage ontology, what he were referring to, what we think he were referring to, what we understood about it. So we'll be giving an example.
The basic aim of sentence semantic is to characterize the nation of a true sentence under a given interpretation and of a entailment entailment language. Many authors would describe their own work. Given the many differences that have taken shape in semantics since Montage's own work, but his ideas have left important traces and change the semantic landscape forever.
Okay, so then we have here on the left side, we have like an image here where you can observe the different step. We're talking, see, all about grammar, because from you know he on the syntax part is like is a structure of words in sentence. Yes, so we should be able to follow up the logic of each word that is placed in a sentence so we can get the clear understanding of
Yeah.
it.
As I said, the rules are composed of truth value of a sentence. From in the indicate to the true value. You see the same thing it's saying that the rules that you have to carry with the sentence, like how we said here,
Yes.
the to describe, how to
Hmm.
operate a sentence, you have to be in the right structure.
Yes. For example, like we were saying there, the syntax really does that. That's what syntax does. It's the structure of words. It makes sure that the words in a sentence
To
is
be
correct.
yeah, correctly.
Yeah, and to make it have a logic sense.
Sense.
I would
Uh-huh.
say. So well, that was that was our point of view of what we understand. Guys, we're going to give you many thanks for your attention, but we'd like to introduce you. See you